So, your new home is fitted with an air source heat pump. But what are air source heat pumps, and what does that mean for you?
An air source heat pump is a safe, reliable, low-carbon heating system for your home. It works a bit like a fridge, but in reverse. They absorb heat from the outside air, which is squashed together to make it hotter, and then released into your home to the radiators, underfloor heating, or any other heating units you have installed. It can even be used to heat water in a storage tank. Even in temperatures as low as -15 degrees Celsius, there's enough heat in the air for the pump to work effectively.
So why would you want an air source heat pump, as opposed to other types of heating like gas or electricity? Well, they're a much greener source of heat. They absorb and transfer heat using only electricity. And making our homes greener is an important part of our overall efforts to reduce our impact on climate change. They're also very efficient. For every 3 to 4 units of heat energy they produce, they only use 1 unit of electricity. In well-insulated homes like these, this could mean that you'll save money in the long run. They have low maintenance costs and a long lifespan. And they're much safer than other systems like gas because they run on electricity. Here at Llywelyn, we're committed to providing sustainable, energy-efficient, excellent quality housing. An air source heat pump will provide your home with clean, safe and reliable heating for years to come. If you'd like to find out more about how we're making our homes greener, follow the link in the video.